Hi, I'm Flora Delaney, and I'm working with Smart Retailer Magazine to present a new webinar series entitled Timeless Principles in Retail. I've been in the retail industry since the 1980s, and I've been a retail consultant since 2005. I've worked with small, single-store boutique owners, and I've worked with the big national retailers like you see here. Later in this session, you will be able to sign up for the series as well as provide us your email so that we can send you free of charge a price change calculator that I'm going to demonstrate later that can help you make a fact-based decision on when to reduce the price of an item. We listened to our gift shop retailers and they told us their biggest pain points, and that's what we built this series around. One of our readers, for example, wrote in and said, I have a long tenured employee, one of my best, who just gave me their notice. I'm terrified and I don't know how to find someone who can possibly replace them. Do you have any advice? And the truth is, finding new employees is one of the biggest pain points in retail. And the answer might be right under your nose. We have a long truism that says, some of your best customers can turn into some of your best employees. So letting faithful customers know that you're hiring, telling them why it would be fun to work in the store may help you find a great lead for a new job candidate. Those are the kinds of ideas that we can help you with, that we can tell you that even the biggest retailers use in the world today. So how does this work? Well, the 8-part series includes 8 hours of content, tips, tools, and tricks, worksheets to help you strengthen your business, and you can watch the event live, and when you do, have your questions answered. Additionally, we'll be recording the webinar so that you can watch recorded sessions. This 8-part series is all built around the biggest pain points that gift shop retailers told us they had. Those include, how do you market to new customers, as well as how do you market to current and lapsed customers, pricing and profits, time management and delegation, which can be a big headache, social media strategies, team training for amazing customer service, hiring the right people, and branding your store. Here's what you'll get. You'll receive lifetime access to all of the content. Additionally, your team can watch it as well. You'll get the tools, tips, and worksheets to create an in-store library. And if you participate in the live event, you can ask and have your questions answered. Here's how it works. To get this, the standard price is $69. But when you do that, you get downloads plus full lifetime access for your entire store team. But if you're interested in a better deal, and who isn't, the pre-purchase series price discount is $449 for all 8 sessions. That means you'd be getting every session for just $56. That's a savings of $103 and gives you lifetime access and team viewing. So let's talk about that freebie, right? At the end of this, we'll ask you to provide your email address so that we can send you the price change calculator free of charge, and you can start to use this amazing tool. Let me show you how it works. First, this is an outline of what the calculator is going to look like. And all you're going to need to know is the 3 yellow cells in order to be able to use it. Everything else is calculated for you. So this is what that looks like when you're thinking about reducing the price of an item. What you would do is come in here and first say, what is the regular price of our item? And let's say the regular price of our item is $12.99. And then on average, we sell 9 units of those a month. And that it costs us $7 each from the vendor to purchase that item. Well, at that rate, we know that our gross sales are $116, our margin is 54%, and we're on average making $53 on that item. Now let's say you're considering a new price, and that new price you're considering is $9.99. If you were to reduce your price to $9.99, you'll see that all of these already auto-calculated for you. And what it says is you need to sell almost 12 of them to have the same sales every month. but you would need to sell 18 of them in order to have the same profit per month. In other words, you'd have to double your sales from 9 to 18 in order to get the same amount of profit. If you think you can get that kind of sales lift, this might be the right thing to do. This is a great way to look at how you're thinking about changing prices during promotions or closeouts. I urge you to sign up today for these sessions. Look, retail is a tried and proven business model. It's been around since the beginning of civilization. But if you don't have someone to show you the way, to show you the tips and the tricks, you might have to learn through trial and error. And that's just time and money you probably don't want to spend. I urge you to sign up for either the entire series or just pick the ones you think are most relevant to you, the one that really address your biggest pain points. Learn from others instead of learning the hard way. I know you want to make your business a success and invest in your team so that they're successful and can help you run a successful store. I urge you to sign up for these sessions. Go today to smartretailer.com, Flora-Delaney-courses, and I'll look forward to talking with you in 2020.